Hey everyone, Ben here. People have been making millions in the stock market this year, and one method people have been doing this is by investing into speculative SPACs. Now think of these as the new IPO. Basically, if you don't know what a SPAC is, it's basically an acquisition company which acquires a private company in order to help it go public really fast. SPAC stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Company. Now bear in mind, investing and trading SPACs does come with a lot of risk, as if you don't get in really early, the stock can run up fast. There's a lot of hype behind these SPACs, and then they can crash as people decide to take profits, and you guys can be left holding the bag. Now I don't want to see that happen to you guys and members of the Motivation to Invest community. So in this video, I'm going to reveal my top 3 SPACs which I think have exceptional long-term potential. Now, like many SPACs, these do have a lot of momentum behind them right now and a lot of hype, but they also have a lot of long-term potential, and that's why they're great SPACs to watch and potentially invest into. Now, bear in mind, like all my videos, this is not financial advice. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell a certain stock. This is just my research, which I've done, and I'm presenting that to you guys from my many years investing into the stock market and building up a substantial portfolio. Now, before we dive right in, if you're new around here, why not consider joining the investing family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. And if you wish to take things one step further and get in personal contact with me, then simply click that first link in the description below to be taken to the Patreon page, where you can find out more about the VIP membership group. There you can gain access to exactly when I'm buying and when I'm selling stocks, in addition to my entire investment portfolio. But with that being said, let's dive in. So kicking things off at stock number 3 is Romeo Power, ticker symbol RMO. Now, Romeo Power is a leader in designing and manufacturing lithium-ion battery modules and packs for commercial electric vehicles. So when there's a gold rush, why not just sell shovels? So we don't know who will win the EV battle. We know Tesla is a major player, but in the commercial industry, there are so many players. We've got Workhorse, we've got Rivian, we've even got Lion Electric. So what will all these companies require for their vehicles? Batteries, of course. So Romeo Power has completed the construction and development of a 7 gigawatt-hour capable manufacturing facility in Los Angeles, California, with state-of-the-art manufacturing operations designed and scaled for high growth. So the global electric vehicle market was valued at $162 billion in 2019, and this is projected to reach over $800 billion by 2027, registering a compound annual growth rate of 22.6%, which is incredibly high. Now, full disclosure, guys, I did a video on Romeo Power a few months back, and I did invest into this stock. And if you can check out this trade right here, you can see I made over 60% on the company, but I'm not selling, I'm holding this company for the long term. Now, you can check out that full video on Romeo Power, I'll leave that in the description below. But as I go on to stock number 2, there'll be some more details about this company. So on to stock number 2 is Lion Electric, which is going public with Northern Genesis Acquisition Corp, or NGA. Now, Lion Electric has a variety of stylish trucks and electric buses already in production, but the biggest catalyst I've discovered is that Amazon has backed the company with a 5-year deal, and they have asked 10% of the manufacturing line to be reserved for Amazon. And they even have a warrant deal with Amazon, which could mean Amazon could own a large part of their company. And then there's a major political tailwind behind this company. So that's the Biden initiative to convert all school buses to electric vehicles by 2030. Now, this is immense tailwind behind a company like Lion Electric, which specializes in electric school buses. Now, you can invest straight into this stock, but there's a lot of hype behind this company now as SPAC traders start to cash profits, and you could be left holding the bag. An alternative, a surprising alternative, is to potentially invest into stock number 1 I mentioned on this list, Romeo Power, because guess who the supplier is for Lion Electric, with Lion Electric to supply their batteries. So if Amazon decides to order more and more vehicles from Lion Electric, guess who will benefit? Romeo Power. Now, this is not financial advice, and I'm just giving you guys a brief overview in this video. But if you appreciate value like this, feel free to give this video a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the YouTube AI. And right, guys, on to stock number 1 on my list. This is a company which is set to disrupt the healthcare industry in the US. So the company is called Hess and Hers, and this is a digital pharmacy targeted at millennials. Now, this company is going public via Oaktree Acquisition Corp. Now, there have been some notable investors who have invested into this company, including the PayPal co-founder, Peter Thiel, who was also one of the original investors into Facebook, and he's the founder of Palantir. But that's not all. There's also a legendary value investor who I discovered invested into this company. Howard Marks, he is a legendary value investor. Now, surprisingly, even a few celebrities have invested into this company during its early stages, including Jennifer Lopez. So now it seems that Jenny from the block is now into stocks. Now, that may not seem like a big deal, but think of the influencer marketing. I believe she owns around 3% of the company. Don't hold me to that, but I believe she owns less than 5% of the company, but maybe around 3% of the company. So think of the influencer market. Companies pay thousands upon thousands just for these celebrities to do an Instagram post, whereas Jennifer Lopez could do that at a discount price or even for free if she's invested into the company. So to me, that could be a major tailwind, which I don't think Wall Street will truly appreciate. Now, this company also has extremely high growth, high margins as it's an online service, and extremely high potential. Now, I did a full video doing a deep dive analysis into the stock, including a full valuation and my price target. So I'll leave a link for that video in the description below. So just a short video today, guys, an overview video rather than me going very deep into each of these stocks, into the juicy financials, into the numbers. This video has been more of an overview video. Let me know if you like these type of videos, and please do comment below. Or do you prefer the videos I do on one stock and I cover that one really deeply? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please do comment below. And if you guys haven't joined the investing family yet, feel free to join the community by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. If you wish to take things one step further, hit that first link in the description below to be taken to the Patreon page, where you can find out more about the VIP membership group. There you can gain access to exactly when I'm buying and when I'm selling stocks. You can talk to me directly, ask me questions about your portfolio, and access my entire investment portfolio, the stocks and the story of how I grew that portfolio from just $20,000 to over $200,000. So if you're interested in that, or you're just curious, you want to find out more, hit that first link in the description below. With that being said, I hope you guys have a tremendous day, and I'll see you in my next video. Invest safe.